Do you know how many Indian jokes I know?
How many?
None.
Oh my, oh my goodness.
I am Phil Mackenzie from the Lean Squad, and today we are cooking a dairy-free butter chicken. That's right, dairy-free, it's family-friendly, even Hudson loves this, and the best part about it is so easy to make. So easy. We're gonna be in and out of here in about half an hour. First things first, get your chicken breasts. We're gonna do 4 chicken breasts. You wanna cut them into bite-sized, mouth-watering pieces, okay? That's a little bite size for me, right there. It's like the perfect size. It's gonna melt in my mouth because this chicken is gonna be cooked to perfection. So you just dice away. And most curries aren't dairy-free. So this one is. Then we're gonna grab our friend, ghee. So this is ghee. When you boil butter, what happens is you get something left at the bottom. It is called ghee right here, and it is actually lactose-free. It has a higher smoke point, so it's like a canola, vegetable oil, and it has a really buttery taste to it. Not to mention, it's full of fat-soluble vitamins. So you take your ghee, and we're gonna put some ghee in the pan, and we're gonna brown our chicken. Ghee is in the pan. Now we're gonna add our chicken breasts, all right? So we're gonna brown our chicken, swirl the ghee around, make sure you coat your chicken. So you wanna keep mixing the chicken around, because remember, we're just browning it here. We're letting it soak up that tablespoon of ghee that we poured in there. Whew. While you're waiting there, just keep an eye on it, but you want to grate up some ginger. You want to grate up your ginger. You can actually just use a spoon, okay? So I just grate it up. We just want tiny itty bitty pieces. All right, next step. Chicken is perfectly browned. Very happy with how it's turned out. So what we're gonna do now is we're actually gonna take it out of the pan because we got a whole nother thing going on. Chicken on the pan, or on the plate, sorry. Out of the pan, on the plate. All right, now we've got the chicken out of the pan. We wanna add a 1/4 cup of ghee, all right? So just get it all in there. Look at that. And this is where it's really exciting. Like I said earlier, the key to amazing Indian food is a combination of spices, and that is exactly what we're gonna do right now. So, we are gonna get our spices, all of them. First up is paprika. Paprika. I can't really pronounce it, but my goal, look at that. Okay, get that in there. Next up, we've got ground coriander, okay? Just pop a little bit in there. Some cinnamon. Just a little bit of curry powder, okay? Now, this is where I really crank up the heat, is chili powder. Again, remember, I'm towing the line. I'm living dangerously. I'm gonna fire up the metabolism while I enjoy this amazing food. I'll probably be sweating. The last one we're gonna add is Garam Masala. It's a combination of spices. Again, sprinkle it in there. You don't wanna put too much in. Low to medium heat, and you're gonna smell the flavors. So you don't wanna overcook it. Just watch it for a minute. And don't forget your ginger. You wanna get a tablespoon of ginger in there as well. All right, so it's been about a minute there. We've had the ginger, all the spices coming together with the ghee. You grab your chicken, and you're gonna get it in there because we're gonna coat it. You're gonna coat it, you listen to that sizzle. That's because everyone wants to party now. So make sure you mix and get every single chicken bit covered in these tasty mixes here. Whew. All right, next up, we've coated it all. Now we're gonna add the tomato sauce because there's no such thing as a butter chicken without tomato sauce. So again, just get a can of tomatoes, about 15 ounces there. And we're gonna do a little bit of coconut aminos, okay? So we're just gonna add some coconut aminos here. There we go. Now we're gonna bring it to a boil and let it simmer for 15 minutes, but mix everything around. All right, so the sauce has thickened up perfectly there. It's been about 15 minutes. Now, we're just gonna cut half a lemon. Whoop. That is half a lemon, and we're just gonna squirt it in there, squeeze it in, because this is gonna bring out some lemony leanness in this curry here. So just nice and easy. And then, this is the secret to keeping it dairy-free. Coconut cream. A lot of curries use a really heavy cream, which is obviously lactose-based. Not today, all right? But there's a little catch. We're only gonna use the heavy part of this can, okay? So you don't wanna use all the water. It's a lot of water in here. We're just gonna go the heavy part, so you can just scoop it out. Oh, look at that. And get that in there, all right? So scoop out all this coconut cream. We're gonna mix and simmer away for just a little longer. Wow. All right, last little bit before we finish up. Chopped cilantro, okay? This is up to you. I actually love cilantro, so we're just gonna chop up a little bit. Just nice and easy. And now, here's the key. You've got your butter chicken. The option is yours. If it is a lean meal, if you want to keep this lean, serve it on some cauliflower rice. That means there's very few carbohydrates in the meal. Comparatively, if you are having a lean refuel meal, you want to add the carbs as the base. You serve it over some nice tasty rice. So the option is yours. I'm going to have a lean meal. I'm going to have it with cauliflower rice because this is my lean lunch. That is, we'll just garnish it up a bit. Ooh, look at all those perfect chunks of chicken. That is dairy-free, leanified, homemade butter chicken in less than 30 minutes. So Squaddies, please give this a go. Let me know what you think. Let me know how the leanness tastes. I know it's gonna taste amazing. Please leave your comments below, and I will see you next episode.